Your Adobe Creative Cloud trial starts on the day you install the app. You can convert your trial to a paid membership during the trial period or after your trial has expired. Go to www.adobe.com and click Sign in the top navigation bar and sign in with your Adobe ID. Click your name in the top navigation bar. Click Choose a Plan. Choose a membership plan and click Buy Now. Enter your payment information. You will receive an email confirmation of your purchase. If you'd like to convert an expired trial to a paid membership, launch the Creative Cloud desktop app. If you're on a Windows device, choose Start, Programs, Adobe Creative Cloud. If you're on a Mac device, choose Finder, Applications, Adobe Creative Cloud folder, Adobe Creative Cloud. In the Apps panel, click Buy Now next to any expired app. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to choose a plan and purchase a Creative Cloud membership. To learn more about managing your Adobe apps, services, and subscriptions, watch our next video, and don't forget to subscribe.